Aneng 660. It is a CATII 600V 2 RMS 6000 count multimeter. Its size is 137.4 times 68.4 times 40.8 mm. It weighs 105 grams. Its test pan CATII 1000V 10 m. 82 cm long PVC cable, 2 mm plug. DC watt is 0.1 mW to 600W. AC watt is 0.1 mW to 600W. Resistor is 0.1 ohm to 60 mega ohm. AC current is 0.1 milliamp to 10 amp. DCM is 0.1 milliamp to 10 amp. Capacitor is 1 pF to 60 megafarad. Continuity less than 50 ohm may be B-sound on. Frequency is 0.1 Hz to 10 MHz. Temperature is 0 to 1000 degrees C. It uses a special type 2 mm plug. And a 2 mm temperature sensor. And let's see the user menu first. Let's open it. DC weapon voltage test. Now is in auto mode. 2.5 watt. It shows 2.515 watt. 5 watt. It shows 5.011 watt. 7.5 watt. It shows 7.51 watt. 10 watt. It shows 10.02 watt. And now see the manual mode. Manual mode by pressing this key. Now it's in DC mode, manual mode. ISO 10.02 watt, 7.5 watt, ISO 7.51 watt, 5 watt, ISO 5.011 watt, 2.5 watt, ISO 2.512 watt. Okay, next test. Normal AC voltage test. ISO 223.3. It need a foot reading. Okay, next test. Normal frequency test. Foot is 49.9 Hz. This meter show 49. Okay, next test. NCV test. The meter about 2.5 cm, maybe 1 bar. Near is about 2 bar. Near have a 3 bar. And max about 4 bar, about 1 cm. And let's see the cable. It also about 2.5 cm, maybe send 1 bar. And near is a 4 bar. It not very sensitive. It only a normal sensitive. Okay, let's see the meter for the find the hot wire. Now use the wet test lead for testing this. Neutral, no. F, no. Hot wire. Then maybe send the hot wire. Next, use the best test lead. Best test lead. Neutral, no. F, no. Hot wire. Okay, you can check the hot wire. Okay, next test. And auto mode check. Now in auto mode. Now check DC voltage. ISO 9.22 watt DC. And let's see the AC. AC 222.2. And our resistor. ISO 40 ohm. Okay. Auto mode check finish. And die mode test. It's a normal die. ISO 0.55 about watt. It's okay. You can check the die. And let's see the die mode light on the LED. Red. Okay. Yellow okay. Green okay. Blue okay. And the white is also check all the LED. And let's see the output voltage of the demo. ISO output voltage is about 3.95 watt. Okay, next test. Resistor mode can work on manual mode and auto mode. Let's see the short test lead. It is a 0.2 ohm of the test lead. And now see the value as 0.5 ohm. ISO 0.7 ohm. Subtract the 0.2, this is a 0.5 amp. It's okay. Let's check the 1 amp. It's so 1.2, 10 amp. It's so 10.2 or 3. Okay. 20.03K. It's so 19.4K. 2 meg. It's so 1.99 meg. 22.3 meg. It's so 22.17 meg. And see the 40 meg. It's so 40.82 meg. Accuracy. And 60 meg. 60.98. It also can test, but only one time display. Okay. Next test. Continuity sound check. It found that no any response. 1, 2. About 2 seconds, there may be B sound on. About 63 dB. And let's see the manual mode of the meter continuity. Now it's in continuity manual mode. It's fast response of the sound. It's very good of the manual mode in B sound. It also about 62 dB. And let's see the B sound in 1 amp. $10 amp. 500. They may not sound on. Okay. Next test. DC voltage test. In manual mode, they have a low voltage can measure. Now it's a 0.01 watt. The meter shows 0.012 watt. It's okay. Mini DC watt. We check that auto mode may be minimum is 0.8 watt. Let's see. There is a 0.8 watt. The meter shows 0.803. Okay, next test. M watt check. The milliwatt of this meter shows 12.6 watt, and foot is 12.6 M watt. That very accuracy. Next test. 20 milliamp reference current test. Now testing it. You can show 20 milliamp. Okay, next test. Capacitor test. Now you are reference for testing the meter. This meter shows 120.6. And let's see the flow. Flow is 0.121 μF. It very accuracy to show the reading. And let's see the meter. Another test. A little one. ISO 1.039 megafarad. It near the reading. A little one. 10 mF. ISO 10.47. A bigger one. We discharge it. ISO 4.419 megafarad. Okay, next test. This meter mini frequency in AC 7 watt is 0.5 Hertz. Okay, next test. This meter mix frequency is about 20 megahertz frequency. Okay, next test. And temperature test. First is home temperature is 26.1, and Aneng is 26, and the unity is 26.5. Now see the cool water first. Flow is 7.5 degrees C or 4, and Aneng is 8, and unity is 8.6. Okay. Next is hot water. In hot water, flow is 59.1, and Aneng is 59, and unity 38.3. Okay, and let's see the high temperature of this sensor for Aneng. Now go up to 200, 500, 600, or going down. And this temperature sensor have a input jet in this one, and it is a special of 2 mm per 2 mm. Okay, next test. DC current test. Now is 3.86 amp, and make a bigger. That is 9.94 amp. Okay, next test. High voltage test. 100. ISO 111 watt. 250. ISO 277 watt. Need a full reading. 500 watt. ISO 529.6 watt. It a little upper than the full reading. Okay, let's try the 1000 watt. It had a warning sign and overload. Okay, Next, power consumption test. Supply voltage is 3 watt, and reference voltage is 1 watt. Now see the max power. The max power of this meter power on is 46 milliamp. And see the normal draw current is 2.014 milliamp. And let's see the meter in power on the backlight and the flashlight. Sorry. Power on the flashlight and backlight is 12.3 or 4 milliamp. Okay. We test low down the voltage of the supply voltage. .9 watt. 2.8 watt. Sorry. 2.6 watt. 2.4 watt. 2.4 watt, the battery low logo come out. And also come down. .3 watt. When 2.3 watt, the meter may be automatic close off. Okay, next test. Meter T down. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screw in the back side, and that is a battery compartment cap. And let's open it. There is no any shielding in the downside. They have a PTC, fuse, a control relay, IC, and a crystal, and a LED. Okay, we open it. Okay, it's fully open. There is the backlight and 3 of the key and the socket of the input chip. Let's see. The backlight can open it. There is the mini LED. And that is a control relay, a buzzer, and there is the circuit board. Downside, no any other component. Okay, let's see the meter. There is the LCD skin. The top side is the ribbon. And there is the soft key. Okay. T-down finish. NCV test. It about 2 cm have 1 bar. Near is 2 bar. Near 3 or 4 bar. Touch. Okay.